Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a very special haul. There's not a ton of stuff here. I really just wanted to get this filmed so I can get this put away because Spawn has moved back home. A lot of stuff from his old room has been just sort of hanging out in here in my salon. It's driving me nuts. I've literally spent the last week plus just trying to reorganize things, which I pretty much almost finalized last night. I got all my Helmer drawers organized the way I want them. Okay, Tara, shut up. This was my Merry Christmas to myself. This is super special. I've wanted one of these for a long time. This is from, I'm gonna show you the little box. Maybe. Okay, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I never not sigh when I look at April's packaging. 2021 Reader's Choice Nail Pro winner. Do y'all know what this is? Do y'all know what this is? Thank you for choosing Red Iguana. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. Ciao, I can't wait to create my creations. If you see this, you may already know. You may already know. Okay, oh my God, gorgeous. Gorgeous pink satin bag. Oh my God. Let's get on up in here. Oh, I can't wait. Even the tissue is beautiful and has rose gold accents. Shut up, April Ryan. ASMR. Oh, okay. Y'all, look at this. Look at it. I just wanted to turn my flash on so my lighting would be a little bit better. You guys, I splurged on what? Hold on. I just need to verify. Yes, the 3.0. The 3.0 practice hand. And it's posable. I don't want to do that with my finger, but it's posable. I could set her up. Oh my God. Okay. So, and because I didn't even have a 2.0, of course I did do my research, but the 3.0, don't quote me on this. I think the 3.0 has the pigmentation and the shading to look more lifelike, and it's magnetic. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, I'm squeeing internally. I'm trying to be quiet about this. Oh no, I have a little imperfection. That's okay. That's okay. So the thing with other practice hands that I have found, like the AliExpress ones, the less expensive ones that you can get on Amazon, the nail beds are so freaking tiny. They're like this, but all the nails, like the entire hand, has these really skinny, thin little nail beds. And when I would put a tip up into my cuticle area, it wouldn't fit right, and it just looked weird. This, oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, it's heavy. It feels like a real freaking cadaver hand. Not that I've ever touched a cadaver hand, but look at it. I mean, it's got, this looks like a freaking hand, y'all. This looks like a freaking real hand. And I love creeping my family out by just sort of randomly leaving these things about, because I also have the practice finger. Oh, this is stunning. This is so beautiful. Okay, what else did she get? I sort of bundled my hand with the 2-in-1 stand, and I'm a poet and didn't know it. So this is a magnetic stand. Now on the website, they show this whole setup, and they have the suction cup stand base, I guess, attached, suction to like a, looks like a maybe a 4x4, really thick glass block. And I don't think they even offer those on their website, but you know, rather than just going to Lowe's, which I may wind up doing, I may wind up going to Menards or Lowe's or Home Depot, I don't know, and just trying to find something weighty, like a nice piece of tile or something to keep my stand where I need it to be, because I have one of these that has the clamp. You know, it's got the suction base and it has the clamp. The little arm thing is not very long, but it's fine. But even that, like, I really don't have anywhere on my desk to suction something like this, because I either have a table towel or I also work on top, you know, under my table towel. I have my big silicone mat. These don't really stick to that, but I'm gonna try something. I have these big 12 by 12 pieces of plexiglass, I guess. Plexiglass, sure. I'm gonna see, well, I'm pretty sure this will suction to this, okay, as I work. But then I'm also gonna try to use one of these little, you know, table towel cleanup things and just cut a hole in the center so that my little arm, whatever this is called, can stick up through that. And that way I can film my thing. My thing can be stuck on this thing, but then the glare won't be there because my little arm will be sticking up through this. You know what I'm saying? And then when I'm done, I can just throw this thing away anyways. But I'm going to try that. I'm going to try and see if that works. However, let me grab my little hand again. Let me get this out the way because of glare issues. So this is the little magnet. Hold on. I think I know how this goes. Don't quote me. Hang on. Yeah. So the little screw off piece will go on the arm. Let me loosen the arm. There we go. Yeah, so this thing is like adjustable. And then, pardon moi, this will go on here. And then this will come down and screw on like that. So that's how you attach your little magnetic base to your suction base. And then this thing, you know, moves around. You can angle that however you would like to. And then, come through, girl. Oh, look at that. So I can work. Let me try to zoom y'all out just a smidge. Yeah, so I can work, have my base suctioned to this bad boy, maybe, I hope, and then, you know, work, camera, the whole thing. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm freaking in love. And then as you're working and, you know, you have practice nails or what have yous, just pop her off and stick her in the lamp. Boom, pop her back and keep it moving. I also grabbed, this is just a set of replacement tips. And it does come with all four, you know, middle, ring, pinky, pointer. I think there are 50 of each in here. I already have the middle tips because that I do believe is the size of the practice finger. That's the practice finger that I already have from her. And then as a freebie, I don't know if I reached like a cart price threshold or something, but I got a matte no wipe matte top coat from Red Iguana, which I do not own. And let's face it, you cannot have too many base coats, top coats, that whole thing. So thank you for that. Again, that was a little freebie. And you guys, okay, I've already showed you guys the Calypso. What do they call it? Sparkling gel. This is the red that I don't know. I went crazy for it the first time I saw it, but my haul was getting a little out of control. And so I had to start paring down my cart. And Muse was one of the first things that had to go. So let me get this foil taken off of here, and I will come back and I will show you this absolutely freaking stunning red sparkling gel. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is so stunning. Of course I made a mess trying to get my thing off. It is so beautiful. And so now I just wanted to show it next to Calypso. As far as I know, these are still on the website, y'all. And as far as I know, they are still deeply, deeply discounted. Like $3 and change a piece. Stunning, stunning. It's just like glittery, sparkling gel. You can use it obviously all over. I'll put a link up in the cards to Nana's, I think it was her New Year's Eve mani. I used Calypso. So you can see that in action. I do believe I used it as an all over color as well as like a drawing gel. And I gave her little Frenchies. How freaking beautiful would this be for like Valentine's Day Frenchies? you know, if you're into the traditional Valentine's Day colors and that kind of stuff. Oh, I just can't stop staring. But that is absolutely beautiful. That is Muse. Yes, they call it the leaf gel. So let's go back to the love of my life. Ah, the new love of my life. Look at her. Oh my God, she's just gorgeous. I cannot wait to jump in. And because I have my salon sort of organized the kind of the way I want it, I know where all my practice tips are. I know where all my drawing gels are. Things are organized. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. I will say, I don't know if you have, this obviously is not sterling silver. I got one of these with my practice finger. It does tarnish. So I don't know if you guys have a little pouch or something. I have a couple of jewelry boxes in my home that are like anti-tarnish type things. You know, if you wanted to keep this looking brand spanking new, you might want to put it up, but it's stretchy. It will fit on any finger. As far as I know, it can even fit on human fingers if that's what you want to do, you know, for a special little night out and a little razzle dazzle to your fit, if you know what I'm getting at. So I am just so freaking excited. I will leave links to everything down in the description box below. I'm pretty sure I have a discount code as well. I will have that in the description box below. Even if you don't want to use my discount code, let's say you find a code that's larger than what my code is that I can offer, I would really appreciate it if you would still use the link that I have below. It's my referral link, just so the folks over at Red Iguana know where you came from. You came from old T-Mac over here at Basis Loaded Lacquer. I cannot get over, look at it. Look at it. I'm just, okay. I may just sit here and just stare at this all night long, like Lionel Richie. Look, oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And I'm glad they put 2 magnets in here because, honey, one would just not do it. This is a weighty, beefy little thing. Love it. The coloring is stunning. Just how they have, I don't know. It's, I would compare it to my hand, but my hand, it's old, it's dry, and I have very pinky undertones this time of year. But it's just, you know, the different colors. Your skin has different colors. Blues and reds and yellows. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. So there you have it. There is my little sort of mini haul. It wasn't mini on the old bank account, honey, but I really think that in a situation such as this, a product such as this, you're going to get what you pay for. And as you know, I've been using my Red Iguana practice finger, so I already know the quality of this product. Yeah, so, you know, this is not a $30 practice hand that you're going to get on AliExpress. Nothing wrong with those. I just didn't prefer those nail beds. Okay, so this is beautiful. Tons of room. Let me go ahead and break out one of these practice tips. So here's the middle, and this is the full length, and they also have M's on them for middles, and I assume, hang on, let me look at another one of these. This is the ring fingernail. I can't tell if there's, oh wait, yes, there's an R. There's an R for ring, okay. I don't know what they did for pointer and pinky because they're both P's, but I should know the difference because obviously the pinky's gonna be smaller. Any boobs, so here's your full size or the length of the full tip, and I stick mine in backwards, excuse me. You can stick yours in backwards, but that has a little tab thing on it. And just to keep from screwing up my my cuticle already, I'm just gonna go with the back side. Love that. Man, that goes way back in there. I mean, you can, I can't even see that tip. There is zero free edge. Love that. My hand's a little sweaty because I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, that is, yeah, super deep cuticle wells. Love it. If you stuck around this long, the key phrase is broke ass. The key phrase is broke ass. Tara is on a no buy, honey. Okay, so that's it. If you stuck around, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Stick around. You're going to see me probably try and fail many, many designs with this absolutely stunning. And let me look to see if it tells me which one of these I purchased. They have a bunch of different styles and skin tone ranges. You know, she's got a range of skin tones. April. I got the April. This is what April looks like. I thought it was closest to my own. Well, this is probably closest to my skin tone in the summertime when I actually like have some color right now. Right now I'm rocking winter pink. Winter Porky Pig pink skin tone. That's okay. All right, guys. I love y'all. Stick around. I'll see y'all later. Hit the whatever buttons. Leave me a comment. Again, key phrase, broke ass. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.